So today I was following along with Tracy Fox's December Daily 2022 tag advent, and I wanted some plaid paper, so I decided to head over to Photoshop and create some. So to do that, you need to create yourself a pattern, which is pretty easy. You just create little squares, well, rectangles really, on your pattern piece, and then save this out as a pattern. And then you come over to Photoshop and you well, I wanted a piece of paper like this, so I well, let me show you. All you would do is go File, New, and we want a letter size paper, so we create it, and then we just go up to our fill layer and we put in a pattern. This is the custom pattern I created. These are all the patterns I've done. And I wanted a twill pattern, sorry, a plaid pattern, you know, with the twilly bits in. So you would just click on that and say OK, and it would fill in your pattern. Now if you say, let's undo that, Command C, say you wanted that pattern but you didn't want it as big as that, if you do an actual adjustment layer of a pattern and pick the pattern you want, so let's do the plaid again, but say you thought, it's a little bit big, all you do is just scale it down, so say 25% if you want a smaller pattern, or 50%, or 75%, or whatever you want. Anyway, all that to say that I've created this pattern, and if you'd like it, I will put it. I did manage to create the Ko-fi site, and so if you'd like it, I've put it in there. I haven't yet. I will put it in there as a freebie. Okay, well, hope you like it and find some use for it. Okay, bye and happy December. See you later. Bye. And now how do I stop this? Here we go. Crazy woman, can't remember how to stop it. Where is it? Where's QuickTime? Oh, sorry about this. QuickTime. There it is. Oh, good grief. Here she goes again. Oh, there.